perspective, that's a normal thing. So who contradicts the opinion? Is your opinion better than mine? If you think we're all just the same being? Now I want you to answer that question though. If you in your point of view being an atheist.
Di pa rin ako satisfied, bro. Bigyan mo pa ako ng iba example. Atheist ako,
So ano pa yung mga...
Sige to. Kung atheist ako, sige. Ito, kung atheist ako, nakatanggap ng atheist, bro. May tatanong ako. Naniniwala kayo may Diyos? Ba't tatlong Diyos nyo? Atheist na.
So babalik tayo sa Trinity.
Pero hindi biblical yung sagot. Alam ano.
Hindi biblical kasi kahit ano pa sa biblical talaga po din makikinig ng atheist.
Ano ulit yung question?
Pwede ako mag-exit up in the wild regarding sa pagkukulang sa atheist. Pagdating kasi sa atheist and my observation of everyone na mga nababasa ko din even nanonood ng mga interviews, may mga different kind of atheist na minsan na-encounter natin. So meron yung more on centralized, yung iba about morals, kaya sabihin ko mga more on centralized sila sa issue about morals. And meron naman sa centralized sa issue like yung kaka-question na ni Samuel na how can there be three gods? How can you prove that there is a God? So may mga people na atheist na centralized sila more on sa higher being or there's a higher intellectual being that exists. Pero minsan din yung mga iba na more on sa universalism side, yung parang when you die, you just become a particle in the space. Na, so medyo wide yung spectrum pag sinishare natin yung mga atheists. So that's why maganda siya tanungin natin yung question. Yes, so kaya minsan pag makaka-encounter tayo ng mga atheists, we listen to how they speak and ano yung nagiging central focus ng pagiging atheist nila. So para we know how to respond, we know how to defend anong topic ang gagamitin natin. So pagdating sa higher being, there's a higher power behind every creation. So there's no acknowledgement na it was God, but they believe na it's a higher being. So how can we insert that God in that topic? So parang gano'n. So basically tayo Christian naman tayo lahat. We can easily we can insert God in everything topic ng mga atheists. Yun lang. Challenge lang natin, how can we identify anong focus ng pagiging atheist ng na-encounter natin, nakakausap natin. So that's why maganda siya topic. So ako I'm a person whose favorite subject is science. Kaya minsan nainganyo ako when I get to talk to an atheist, pero never pa ako naka-experience yung full atheist talaga. So pero may mga student atheist ako nakausap. So I understand science and the Bible, how who created and how amazing God is then how amazing of a creator God is. So that's why I know I know how to get in conversation with few atheist people na I believe na pwede natin ikon. So that's for me. So if we share the gospel to an atheist, how can we convince to them listen to ano yung nagiging centralized kwan ng pagiging atheist nila? What are they are focused on? Ano yung mga kwan nila? Marami kasi pero madali lang mga kwan yung debunk yung mga atheists. We just have to know the word of God and to know the logic part of science. So yun na sa akin. So guys, that's for me, but I need to exit. Just yun lang. So kasi early pa ako tomorrow. Good night.
Shalom, brother. Oh, yeah. Meron akong guys, dadagdag. Like, sa atheist, kasi